Hi everybody. It is getting close to the end of the summer, and one thing that happens here at the Bruce Company at the end of the summer is that some of our floor model patio furniture starts to be discounted. And so we're gonna take a little minute and we're going to highlight a furniture set today, and Mary Beth is going to tell us about this Castelle set.
Yeah, so this is Castelle. It's Castelle had partnered with the Biltmore Estate in North Carolina, which was the home to the Vanderbilts, and they created this collection along with some others that's inspired by classical architecture.
Do you know what the name of this one is?
This is called Antler Hill.
Antler Hill, everybody.
Okay, so what we have on clearance for the floor demo model would include this swivel chair, this end table right here, and this sofa.
Yes, you can recline. It's got this beautiful sort of, not quite sage green, more like a mallard green.
The color is called Idle Moss.
Idle Moss.
And then this finish, it's an extruded aluminum, and it's all nicely welded. It's got some beautiful details to it. It's called weathered gray.
And we've done a little thing on Castelle about how the aluminum, all the air is sucked out of it and that kind of thing. So it's really high quality. And so what would be the original price of these three pieces?
So if you were to purchase this, original price on the three pieces would be $8,252.
And worth every penny.
Yeah, it's gorgeous furniture. It is heirloom furniture. It's going to last you forever.
Yes. And so what's the sale price?
Sale price, 40% off, brings it to $4,952.40.
So you can take it home right off the floor as is. Now you can always, if you want a different color or you want to look at some of our other Castelle furniture, some of the floor models are marked down, and you can always do new special orders. Of course, the discount, the 40% discount would not be applicable to that, but you can customize the furniture however you'd like.
Definitely.
So stop in, and our furniture associates like Mary Beth and Rachel and Alyssa can show you what we have on hand, and you could pick something up and take it home with you that day, or have us deliver it, and still plenty of time to enjoy a new patio set.
Yeah.
On your porch or patio.
Yeah, get your patio set before Labor Day.
Absolutely. Perfect timing. Got parties and barbecues coming up. So stop in and see what we've got. We would love to show you around our furniture department. Happy end of summer from all of us here at the Bruce Company.